Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Finalizing a Campaign Finance Report tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to complete the prior report totals form. Upon logging into the Campaign Finance electronic filing system, you will be taken to the Report menu. Prior videos have explained how to complete steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5 is where you will enter your committee's prior report totals. This section is used to maintain running balances for receipts, expenditures, contributions made, money on hand, and indebtedness. If this is the first report filed by your committee, simply enter 0 into each field. Receipts, expenditures, and contributions made totals run through an election cycle or a calendar year, depending on the type of committee. At the beginning of a new election cycle, candidate committees and campaign committees will enter 0 into these fields. If you're filing a report not at the beginning of a new election cycle, enter the ending amount for each category from the last full disclosure report filed during the election cycle. All other committees will enter 0 into these fields at the beginning of a new calendar year. All committees will maintain running totals for the money on hand and indebtedness throughout the life of the committee. These totals will never restart at 0. All totals must be brought forward from the last report you filed by manually entering the ending amount for each category. Each line includes a line number that corresponds to a line on your last filed report that contains the number which should be reported. For easy access to the last report filed by the committee, select the View Previous Reports button. Select the last report filed by your committee. Scroll through the report to find the totals required to be disclosed. Once all prior report totals have been entered, select Report menu. This concludes our prior report totals video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 4, where we will demonstrate how to conduct a final review and submit your report to the electronic filing system.